Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Urgency of adopting modern rice milling technology.
Rice harvesting festival is going on in the hills of the hilly region.
Sri Lanka's small-scale farmers produce most of the country's agriculture.
AI-powered broiler sexing, a hatching success?
We are reinforcing our presence in the brewery industry with a new project in Colombia for Mura and Abin Bev.
Dutch farmers face a growing dunghill crisis.
Taxation issues for the Malaysian palm oil sector.
Arjil in Gresik honored with Indi 4.0 2024 Smart Factory Award by Indonesian Ministry of Industry.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.